We are having a little bit of a car show today. We're going to walk around, check out some cars, check out the Nova, of course, it is here, and see what else is going on. We have the Nova sitting here set up with Stetler Dodge, who are currently putting up their tents, getting ready for the show. We're here representing them, as they have always been gracious enough to lend me their cars for the review. You might remember this Porsche. We just did a review on that a couple weeks ago, actually. It's here. Before we get too involved, we definitely got to have that cinematic footage, so let's roll that now. My sound. Alright, so yeah, we're going to get back to checking out this Cobra. This thing is so nice. I've got a serious obsession with Cobras, but the problem is, even if I could afford one, it would probably sit in the garage because there's no top on these things. So it's a fair weather car, you wouldn't really get the use out of it, but to say I owned one would be freaking awesome. Nice looking Nova. Looks like the factory Fathom Blue. It's the color mine was. This isn't the Sublime Green, is it?
I think it is.
Is it?
I think it's that or the Go Green.
That's a, yeah, I get the two confused. I'm not sure which one.
I know. I do too.
They're close, but I like this one. It looks good.
I think it's the Go. I'm pretty sure of.
Very nice.
Thanks.
What year is this one? 11?
11, yeah. It's not completely done how I want it yet. I'm going with the Marvin, the Martian theme.
Alright, well, you got the color down.
Right?
Did you wrap this or just factory?
It's wrapped.
Is it wrapped?
That and my spoiler I got wrapped.
Yeah, that looks nice. I've seen a couple of them that had the wrap up till the fender line here.
Oh, really?
And would run all the way down to the bumper line. It's the way they normally did it in the 70s, so I've seen a lot of people that wrap them do that.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, I like that though. It looks good. It breaks up the green just enough.
It does.
To where it's not like overwhelming.
Yeah. See, it had the RT stripe like some of them that are here. I took that off.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people do that too. Like, just it looks a little out of place.
I've seen that too many times, and I'm like, yeah, I'm changing this up. It's definitely.
Did you change the gas tank too?
Yep, of course.
Yeah.
Got rid of the chrome. Yeah.
It looks really good.
I
love the black and green
chrome emblems too.
Very nice.
I'm gonna put mine under down E, but I'm gonna erase
So either Go Green or Sublime Green. We're not 100% sure, but it's an 11. It looks really, really clean. Off here, he did remove all the chrome for the black. You wrap the spoiler on the back. It breaks up the green just enough. Very nice car. Very nice.
Look at them tires. I got new sneakers.
Of course, we got the Shelby GT 500. Looks like he's done a little pulley upgrade. Love those Recaro seats. Those things are so nice. This would be so nice to have. Maybe one day, maybe. Never know what's going to come to the channel next. Never know. Old classic Corvette Stingray, 66. 327, very nice. Plymouth Prowler. You really don't see a whole lot of these. Especially in gold if you do. That's just, it's a rare car. Color's probably even more rare. I've never seen one in gold. Very clean. Very clean. Little pet peeve of mine. Putting Cobra badges on a GT. Yep. The original Hemi. You can't have a classic hot rod show without a 32 Ford hot rod with flames. Blown big block on a yellow Bel Air. How much more classic hot rod can you get? Alright babe, I'm taking this one for you. My wife's got a thing for Beetles. It is clean. You'd have to learn how to drive a stick though, babe.
I think if you look at your picture, I think that's
This is one you just have to stop at. Just in time for the 75th anniversary of D-Day. Never be forgotten. It's an incredible wrap, guys. This is incredible wrap.
It took a couple years to do this. With everything that we come up with, we kind of talked to them and they did some research and they actually talked to a retired Marine for the other side to make sure we got that side's the best of the best of each branch.
Hey guys, there's a little bit of everything at this show, whether old, new, import, domestic, it doesn't matter what you've got, what your taste is, there's something here to stare at. Right now, I think we're going to wrap things up, head back, because there's a lot more going on for me today, so let's wrap this one up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, follow along, and I will catch you guys next time.